Okay, then 2 equals 50. Oh wait,
How do we figure that one out?
Because it's 4,
50.
it's like it's
divided by
C,
2.
B,
Wow.
A in like I don't know line of AC. That's 100, and that's a big.
Okay, I'll give you a couple right now.
Oh wait, don't draw. We're better than the tree.
Close your eyes.
Here,
Close
I
your eyes.
erased it.
Less than.
Oh, I know.
Talk it out. Ask me for help. I know.
The third reassessment. How do we which which arc to subtract from which one? Like, how do we know if we should do 50?
Well, so you have to go with what arcs are inside the angle. Yeah. No, you always do bigger minus smaller because you're getting a negative angle then.
What's angle 3? Angle 3 I got 75. Interesting.
Vertical angle's not.
Mystery, what is it?
I got 65 too. Yeah. 80 plus 50 divided by 2. Yeah. Tree.
Yeah, this is kind of crazy.
Remember, like last lesson, this is 80, so you divide by 2, and you got 3.
Wait, no, we're doing but we're not finding 85. Right?
No. We're talking about remember the first lesson.
But angle 2 is not center though.
I know either way.
But it's also not inscribed angle either. Angle 1's inscribed. Angle 2's not. Being inscribed, you have to have a point on the circle. The vertex has to be on the circle. It's not. So that wouldn't work.
It was like half. You have to.
Wait,
then when do you pass it?
Oh, that's angle 1 to 80 is half. Look at angle 1 to 80. Angle to the purple is half. It has to be on the circle. The vertex has to be on the circle. Yeah. 6. No.
I feel like you need to find 6 before you find 5. And you need to find 10 as well. How do you find? I got it. I got 7. Wait, I got 7. Wait, did you get 6? Yeah, what's 6? 30? Yeah. 7. Why did you get 7? Because you add 30 to 65, which gives you 95. It's 90. Wait. No, 7 could not be 95.
You get 30.
3 65. Okay, 3 is 65. Basically,
Because
80 plus 50 divided by 2.
Yeah. Wait, how do you know it's
Last time I
4,
asked you, okay?
8, and 9?
Actually.
Mystery for angle 3. How do you know to do 50? I know I get how you know to do 80, but like, how about like 50?
Angle 3? Okay, so angle 3 is 2 chords, right?
Yeah.
So it's a chord here.
I got 6.
Oh, there.
5 plus 7. You add them together, right?
So 50 plus 80, right? Okay. If you guys want to check your answers, call me over. I can tell you how you're doing. Yeah. You're doing fantastic. You're perfect. Yeah, you're almost done.
How do you find 5? How'd you get 5?
5 and 2 I don't know.
Okay. How did you get 1 and 2 though?
One.
Take it first.
One.
Oh, you got 1.
You did like
Oh my god, yeah. And then 2.
2. I
You
did
get
half.
8, but not 9.
8.
Ah. That makes so much
Okay, but
sense.
take 3, right? Oh.
So guys, angle 3 is intercepting what? The blue, the purple and the orange, right? The purple and orange. So if you think about it, that has to be the average of it. So half of 50 plus 80 is 55. So angle 3 has to be 65. Angle 8's an easy one. That's a central angle. What's angle 8?
How'd you get number 6?
1 found 7.
Angle 8's
160 to A.
angle 3. No, angle 3 is half of 50
E to
plus 80.
has to be 80 to
Yeah.
B the diameter.
Because the way the model works, we have 2 chords. It's the average of the arcs they intersect.
Wait, what? It was more.
You have to average it. So
Why?
80 plus 50. Sorry, Connor, what were you saying?
It's 50, right? Angle 7.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I got
Angle 3? Nope, it's 50 plus 80. Right.
Because the other angle part angle 100 and you divide by 2. Yeah, yeah, why still having one for the has to be 110. Guys, DC is 110, therefore it's 10.
It's not just.
That's 6. 6. Well, we know that 7 is 50, so 65, 50, 105, 105, 75.
I'm sorry, what?
65, 75? I mean, 6,
what?
angle 6 is 75.
Angle 6, I got 65.
Okay, I did 2 because 1 to
No,
10.
yeah.
By the way, calculations, I'm sorry.
Yeah, like the triangle thing.
Calculations on something, thing. I'm sorry. Wait.
Okay, if it helps, I won't show you his answers yet. If it helps, try doing this, guys. Recognize that that's 110. You got semicircle, 20, 50, that's 110. Recognize that's 100. You have 80 here, that's 100.
5, I'm still trying, I'm dabbling.
Because this is the diameter, it has to add 180. That's fine. Okay, 5. 5 is a tangent and a secant, it's half of the purple. 5 is half of the purple, so 5 is 40.
But how do we get that?
And 10,
10 is 50.
10 is 50, correct?
I was just overthinking.
How do we find 5?
It's half of angle 5.
It's half of what you're intercepting.
Oh, it's half of 80.
But it was so much easier than we saw it.
Wow. Okay. Not a good one. So how do we find 10?
10 is 50.
Same, same thing, 5.
Wait, I didn't know that was a thing.
9.
Yeah.
25.
Wait, can you check
I
our
got it all
answers?
here. Can you check our answers?
But yeah.
Okay, let's check our answers. Yeah, the first one out 40. I think
Yeah.
that is all this.
Guys, check mine.
40. Yeah. 40, 50, 65, 25, 40, 65, 50, 20, 25, 50. Yep.
You got it.
Look at how much work I did. Wait, look at, I didn't even show my work.
I need a 5.
5 is a secant with a tangent,
Mental math.
so it's half.
No. I'm totally doing it.
For the arc it intercepts.
The mind will be strength.
Angle 5 is intercepting.
The strongest part of the
Oh,
body.
It's angle BAT, forms angle 5. BA is chord, or secant, I'll call that, and AT is tangent.
Wait, I love you.
So angle 5 is half
Thanks.
of the arc.
My
Those are
mom,
the brown.
oh, my mom just like one day was like, oh my gosh.
So cute.
They're like huge. They're like big.
Whatever, they're cute.
Okay. Grand reveal. Here we go. Those are all the answers. Just a recap. Okay, so guys, let's focus on that. So angle 1 is half of the purple, so that's 40. Angle 2 is half of the green and the purple, so that's 50. Angle 3 is the average of 80 and 50. That's the orange, the purple. That's 65. Angle 4 is half of the average. Sorry, the difference of the orange and the green and purple combined. So half of 100 minus 50 is 25. Angle 5 is 40 because it's half of the purple. It's tangent at secant. Angle 6 is 65. That's half of the turquoise or light blue and green. So that's half of 130 is 35. Sorry, 65. Angle 7 is half of the maroon. That's 50. Angle 8 is half of the green. That's 20. Sorry, it's the same as the simple as 20. Angle 9 is 25, because that's half of the orange. This is striped angle. Angle 10 is a secant to the tangent, and that's half of the maroon, which is 50.
This would be on a.
Wait, how did you get?
I think so. We'll practice it. How do I get 100? Because you got a semicircle here. That's 80.
Just like, no.
And I know it's 80 because they told me that.
Since when?
It's purple. I was given the purple. Here, go. Yeah, of course. All right, so then let's move on to the last page. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do some more. So the best thing to do is to label things that label arcs based upon the other information. So if you have a diameter, let's get a highlighter here. Yeah. Okay, what do you think that green's going to be, guys? What will the green be? 180. It'll be 100, yeah, 100 degrees. Because you have a diameter, you have 30 and 50. So it's the leftover. It's remaining. So it's remaining. And then let's get another highlighter. Let's go what color's been neglected today? That will be yellow. So we got some like lemon and lime colors. That's 70, yeah.
Oh, I love it.
Okay. So you should be able to figure out the rest. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, and angle 7. Angle 1's pretty easy, right? You guys see that? Okay, cool. Angle 4 is a tangent. I probably didn't mention that. Sure. Yeah, that should probably have been mentioned. It was a tangent line. That's 90. Yeah, because it's just a central angle.
Oh, I got 32.
Oh, yeah, you do like the full.
I think 3 is.
All right, let's talk it out. Angle 4, I should have told you that it's a tangent line. They have tangent line, so that's what angle 4, and that's a radius. So it's 90, right?
Yeah.
And then angle 1 central angle, that's pretty easy. Angle 2 is what we talked about today. That's half of the arcs and intercepts subtracted. But angle 3 is half of the arcs and intercepts added. That's angle 3. Angle 4, we're talking angle 5 is tangent of the secant is half of 100. Now 6 and 7 are pretty tricky ones.
Wait, I thought those were the
Six.
easiest of them all.
It's-
Because
can
you just-
be.
Wait, I did you just do like, what's, the angle inside, like next to
Right,
one. and
correct,
just add it all up.
Well, then there you go. Then we'll,
It's 40,
you
right?
guys. Right, because that's 110. Then this is
That's
70. And you know, angle 3 is also 70, so 6 has to be 40.
It's-
And 3, 7 parentheses 3, it's 70, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, 110. So it's 110.
Like what from like previous together.
Yeah, yeah, or you just see what you already generated. Sure. Yeah. Okay.
I get 5.
Remember secant and tangent, half. All right. 6.
Week 6, you just do whatever's like supplementary to.
So you know that's 110, right? And this is 70. And 3 is 70. You're overthinking it. So it should be 40. Because all 3 angles are trying to up to 180.
But how did you get?
Angle 3?
I
Oh. Oh, angle 3 was this over here. It's this and this.
Oh, yeah.
That rule we talked about today. 110 plus 30. It's two chords, and you gotta average it. I mean, add them up, divide by 2. Correct. Why don't you guys try? Yeah. And then we're all done. Yeah. They are. Correct. Right. I think we'll tell you that. We'll make that clear. All right. It says, well, yeah, what I recommend is try to find the arc measures first. Try to figure out the arc measures. I'll tell you right now, this right here has to be 80. I think.
Wait. Restart. How'd you get 80?
I just did.
No, you can't do that to me. Is it 35 plus 10?
So here's how I do it. Okay, focus on these two right here. 35 is the angle that cuts 10 and 80, right?
Yeah.
So remember, we have to subtract these two and divide by 2. 80 minus 10 gets you 35. 80 minus 10, sorry, divide by 2 gets 35.
Wait, so if I got 35 equals, like I just called that.
Sure.
Y plus 10 divided by 2.
You call it y minus 10?
Oh, it's minus.
Yeah, that's correct. That's the formula. Yes.
I think.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to add because that's not part of the formula, right? So that's why we'll give you the formulas. We'll totally give that to you.
As many parts as possible. Can we just do that?
And once you do that, then you should be able to figure this out. Yeah, I got it now.
Well, let's do it.
I'll do the next one as well.
Okay, that's 100.
I feel like you're like on fire. Like,
Yeah, I agree.
I think she's gonna do really well. Yeah.
Oh, it's 180.
Peter.
It's like
135.
it's just formulas basically.
Yep.
Honestly, and that's what I really struggle with getting. Why is that easy?
Oh, this is supposed to be 30, by the way. This angle is not supposed to be 20. For number 5, that's supposed to be 30 degrees. Yeah, yep. Yeah, because once you do this, guys, you realize X and 90 and X and 180 line up. Yeah, it wouldn't have made sense if that was 20. It would have been weird. Actually, would have been 0 for number 5.
Oh, it's in the 20s.
Yeah, because otherwise it wouldn't make sense physically.
Okay.
Same thing again. The purple minus the brown divided by 2 has to do with that angle. So 110 minus something would be 2 plus 30. And so that brown has to be 50. And if the brown is 50, purple is 110, X has to be 20. So you get a semicircle.
Oh, cause that, wait, why did we cross out? And the angle equals 20?
Because it wouldn't have made sense otherwise. The problem, because then you would want up getting 0 for X then if you had worked it out. So okay, that's quite a lot. All right. Yeah, but the good news, we have one more section left on Thursday. And then we have 2 full days of review. And then we'll have the tests. So, but I think 2 full days of review makes sense. I'll have study guides ready by Thursday. Also prepare some final exam review stuff if you want to get a head start with that. Retakes. Anyone's doing a retake, that's going to happen this Thursday. Yeah, and then homework is already, you already have the worksheet. It says so it's told you what to do. I think we're all set. All right.
For 50, you just did 110 minus 30?
Correct.